Hello everyone. Today we're going to create a landing page. We're going to sign up for a free trial first, and then we're going to set up Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel on it. So here is me signing up for a free trial. Put my phone number, then I put the category of the business and move on to select a template for my page. Just get a special offer. I will use a template, call my page software, and start editing. Now I'll be redirected to a page where I can edit the landing page, edit pictures, text, photos, and nearly everything on my website. Now I will click publish. I will publish the page. I will change the domain so the URL becomes something easier to remember, landpage.co/Ahmed Msouti. I'll save the changes. And now, as you see, I am on a dashboard where I can go to the link I created and see it live, and I can share it with anyone. Now I go to Google Analytics on Google. I will just sign up for a new analytics account. I will put my account name, which can be anything, the website name, which is my website. It's called my name now. And I will put the URL to my landing page. Now, as you see, I'll remove the HTTP because it's already written. I'll select a category and select the time zone I'm in. Now I'll just agree to the terms and services and click continue. Mainly, I will be redirected to the tracking code, but if I go to home and then I can click on admin on the bottom corner and then click on tracking info and then on tracking code and get the tracking code. I'll go to the landing dashboard, click on JavaScript code, add a script, name the script whatever I want, like Google Analytics, and paste the tracking code from Google Analytics. I will position it on the head and I will add. Now I have Google Analytics set up. Now I'll go to Facebook Ads Manager by Googling Facebook Ad Manager, clicking on the first link. I will post links below. I will go to Facebook Ads Manager, then click on the account, then click on Ads Manager on the top left corner. If you have Ads Blocker enabled, please pause it on using Ads Manager. Click on Ads Manager, then under Measures and Report, click Pixels. You set up Pixel, click on Manually Install Pixel Code, and then scroll down to copy the code for Facebook Pixel. Now, similar to setting up Google Analytics on Landingy, you add a script on JavaScript code, name it Facebook Pixel, paste the content, and then put the position on head, page, both, and then add. Now, if your dashboard on Landingy looks like this, you have both Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel set up. For any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me, and good luck.